brief session of science and technology, especially designed for civil services aspirants. Yesterday, I was before you the topic cluster 1, and now here is a subtopic of discussion: lightning and natural disaster. Lightning is very common to you. It's the rainy days, वर्षा का समय है, और देखेंगे जिसको घरेलू भाषा में हम ठंडका ही बोलते हैं, थंडर स्टॉर्म, और ये काफ़ी ख़तरनाक भी होता है. देयर में बी लॉस ऑफ लाइफ्स, properties as well. Here we will see why this topic is chosen. This topic is relevant because some of the Indian states have demanded lightning to be declared as a natural disaster. Right now, lightning is not a natural disaster as per the present provision. Second point, we will see facts about the lightning, mechanism of lightning, and area of concern with lightning, and then way forward. So come. So lightning and natural disaster. This is a topic under science and technology, but this is equally good to geography as well. भूगोल में भी ये आ सकता है. So here the highlights we will discuss in news why about lightning. What is lightning? Mechanism of lightning. Lightning strikes in India and way forward. Next, in news, why lightning as a natural disaster, it is to be declared by the government as a natural disaster. It is a demand from few Indian states. Next, natural disaster and the present norms. As per the present provision, cyclone, drought, earthquake, fire, flood, tsunami, hailstorms, landslide, avalanche, cloudburst, pest attack, frost, cold waves are natural disaster and covered under the State Disaster Response Fund. 75% funding to State Disaster Response Fund is from central government. So natural disaster and the present norms. So cyclone, drought, earthquake, fire, flood, tsunami, hailstorms, landslide, avalanche, cloudburst, pest attack, frost, cold waves. These are the natural disasters, right? And under the umbrella of State Disaster Response Fund, contribution is from 75% from the center. Now, what is lightning? Lightning is an electrical discharge and it is for very, very small duration, but the voltage resting with the electrical discharge related to lightning is very large, and henceforth abnormal current passes through lightning. So an electrical discharge, why this is? Electrical discharge due to imbalance between the storm clouds and the earth, or even within the clouds. Electrical discharge may be within the clouds, maybe between the clouds, maybe between the cloud and the ground. This third one is the very dangerous. Now, electrical discharge may be of two types. One is your intercloud, another one is your intracloud lightning, right? Now this intercloud or intracloud lightning is harmless, not of much concern. Whereas cloud to ground lightning is harmful. It carries very large electrical voltage as well as electrical current, and this may lead to electrocution or several civilian losses or the casualties. The next point, intercloud or intracloud lightning, harmless, not of much concern. Now cloud to ground lightning, harmful, carries high electric voltage and electric current. It can lead to electrocution. Next point, lightning is a natural process. And I told you, an electric discharge of very small duration and high voltage are between a cloud and the ground or within a cloud. And it's accompanied by a bright flash. चमक देखे होंगे कि ठनका जो बोलचाल की भाषा में कहते हैं, जब बिजली गिरती है, बिजली का गर्जन होता है, तो लाइट भी दिखलाई पड़ता है, and you get the sound also. So you see light as well as sign, light as well as the sound. प्रकाश भी और ध्वनि भी किसके साथ? लाइटनिंग के साथ. So it is accompanied by a bright flash, a loud sound, and occasionally thunderstorms. Very intense sound you will get, right? So lightning is a natural process, and electric discharge of very small duration, remember, and it carries very high voltage between what? Cloud and the ground or within a cloud. It is accompanied by loud sound, and it occasionally may carry thunderstorm. Next point, cloud to ground lightning is dangerous because it can electrocute people due to a very high voltage. क्यों बिजली लगेगी? इसलिए कि बहुत ज़्यादा वोल्टेज रहता है और एबनॉर्मल करंट पासेस थ्रू. ओके, और इंट्रा क्लाउड लाइटनिंग इज विजिबल एंड सेफ. मैंने बताया आपको क्लाउड टू ग्राउंड जो लाइटनिंग है, इट्स वेरी डेंजरस, इट्स ऑफ मच कंसर्न. वेयर एज इंट्रा क्लाउड लाइटनिंग जो है, इट्स विजिबल बट सेफ. कॉज ऑफ लाइटनिंग के क्या कारण होते हैं? एक्चुअली क्या होता है कि जो जलवाष्प वाटर वेपर्स होते हैं वो हल्का होने की वजह से ऊपर उठते हैं. जब ऊपर जाते हैं तो क्लाउड में जब मिलते हैं तो वहाँ टेम्परेचर कम होता है, तो वाटर वेपर्स जो होते हैं, जलवाष्प कंडेंस हो जाते हैं, और कंडेंस तभी होंगे जब एनर्जी निकलेगी. और फिर क्या होगा, उस एनर्जी के साथ फिर क्या है, ड्रॉपलेट जो होगा ऊपर उठेगा. और इस तरीके से क्या होगा कि देयर इज ए मूवमेंट, नीचे से ऊपर जाना, ऊपर से नीचे आना. हेवी जो आइस पीस रहेंगे वो ऊपर से नीचे आएगा, और हल्के फिर कंडेंस होने के बाद में नीचे से ऊपर बढ़ेंगे। और ये जो मूवमेंट होता है, मूवमेंट, दिस इज द वर्टिकल मूवमेंट, जस्ट पॉसिबल कि हॉरिजेंटल भी हो सकता है। एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस मूवमेंट मीन्स काइनेटिक एनर्जी, गतिज ऊर्जा, what will happen, it will lead to a so called generation of heat। और जब जनरेशन ऑफ हीट हो जाएगा तो what will happen, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर इजेक्टेड, इलेक्ट्रॉन निकल जाएंगे। और वंस द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर इजेक्टेड what will happen, there will be the chain of प्लस एंड माइनस। इलेक्ट्रॉन जब निकलेगा अपर पोर्शन से, then the upper portion will be the प्लस, और whereas the nearby portion, middle portion so called, और central portion will be माइनस, राइट। दो, ठीक है, एयर इज टेकन टू बी इंसुलेटर, और ग्राउंड भी क्या होगा, चूँकि सेंट्रल जो लेवल होगा, मिडिल लेवल होगा, वो माइनस हो जाएगा, तो ग्राउंड भी पॉजिटिव हो जाता है। और इस तरीके से क्या होता है, देयर इज ए स्कोप ऑफ पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस बिटवीन पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव चार्ज, एंड दिस इज द रीजन बिहाइंड द lightning। Okay, so cause of lightning, water vapor rises up within the temperature rise, with the temperature rise and reach the cloud. There water vapor condenses because temperature in the cloud is less. Water droplets become minute ice crystals. Why? As their temperature falls below 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस, जैसे टेम्परेचर उसका कम हो जाएगा, now smaller ice crystals, just मैंने अभी बताया, smaller ice crystals are traveling up, ऊपर जाएगा, and larger crystals are coming down simultaneously, एक ही साथ। तो क्या होगा, एक ऊपर जाएगा, एक नीचे आएगा, फ्रिक्शन होगा दोनों के बीच में, एंड फ्रिक्शन के फलस्वरूप हीट जनरेट होगा एंड इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर इजेक्टेड। ड्यू टू कॉलिजन इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर रिलीज्ड एंड ट्रिगर्ड इन ए मैनर akin to the creation of electric sparks, right? So small ice crystals are traveling up and larger crystals are coming down simultaneously. Due to collision, electrons are released, and this triggered in a manner akin to the creation of electric sparks. And this way a chain reaction occurs due to increased frequency of collisions and more number of electron ejections. स्वाभाविक है, जब collisions की संख्या बढ़ेगी तो इलेक्ट्रॉन जो रिलीज होगा उसकी संख्या ही बढ़ेगी, and you will get very high potential corresponding to positive and the negative charges, and so the potential difference. The upper layer of the cloud is positively charged, middle one, upper, this one is positively charged, the middle one, and say this is the ground one. So upper layer positive charge, this is the negative charge, and ground is the positively charged. This happens actually. So the upper layer of the cloud is positively charged, middle layer negatively charged. Voltage between the two layers of the clouds is of the order of 1 billion to 10 billion volts. आप सोच लो 1 बिलियन से 10 बिलियन के ऑर्डर में ये आपका वोल्टेज होता है, वेरी लार्ज। The upper layer of the cloud is positively charged, middle one is negatively charged, this is positive and this is here negative. Voltage between the two layers of clouds is of the order of 1 billion to 10 billion, of the order of 1 billion to 10 billion volts, very high voltage. And corresponding electrical current भी बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, it will be in the range of 1 lakh to 1 million amperes. Earth becomes positively charged in contrast to cloud central layer, which is negative, as 50 to 20% of the current is directed towards the earth. So electric current is in the range of 1 lakh to 1 million amperes, 1 lakh to 1 million amperes, this is the current value. Earth becomes positively charged in contrast to clouds central layer, as 15 to 20% of the current is directed towards the Earth. Lightning and the climate change. 12% increase in lightning due to 1 degree Celsius rise in temperature. Remember, 12% increase in lightning due to 1 degree Celsius rise in temperature. This is as per 2015 California University best study. Okay, and geophysical research latest March 2021 speak the same story. So see here, lightning and the climate change, 12% increase in lightning due to 1 degree Celsius rise in temperature. Important fact. This is according to 2015 California University West Study and Geophysical Research latest March 2021 speak the same story. Now come to the lightning hot spots. Lightning hot spots around the world. Lightning strikes the tropics more than, remember the figure, you will be surprised at, lightning strikes the tropics more than 100 million times a day. STRI, Smithsonian Tropical Research Institute discovery. So lightning hotspots around the world. Lightning strikes the tropics more than 100 million times a day. This is a report of STRI, Smithsonian Tropical Research Institute discovery. Now come to the lightning in our country. Lightning strikes in India. India may have seen up to 18.5 million lightning strikes during April 2020 and March 2021. Lightning Resilient India Campaign Annual Report. Very crucial point. Lightning strike in India. India may have seen up to very large figure, see, 18.5 million lightning strikes during April 2020 to March 2021. During April 2020 to March 2021. This is as per the report Lightning Resilient India Campaign Annual Report. Okay. Each year, lightning claims more than 2,500 Indians. हर एक बस लगभग 2,500 भारतीयों की जान जाती है. एंड जो हमारे मैक्सिमम लाइटनिंग स्ट्राइक जहाँ पे होते हैं स्टेट्स आर उड़ीसा, मध्य प्रदेश, छत्तीसगढ़, वेस्ट बंगाल, झारखंड. रिमेंबर, मैक्सिमम लाइटनिंग स्टेट्स कौन कौन से हैं? उड़ीसा, मध्य प्रदेश, छत्तीसगढ़, वेस्ट बंगाल एंड झारखंड. राइट. Each year, lightning claims more than 2,500 Indians. 2,500 Indians. And the maximum lightning strikes are there in Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal, and Jharkhand. Right? Next point. More than 1 lakh individuals have died in the nation as a result of lightning strikes between 1967 and 2019. Government data. More than one-third deaths due to lightning and other natural disasters. Very crucial point and carries the area of concern here. More than 1 lakh individuals have died in the nation as a result of lightning strikes between 1967 and 2019. It's the government data. And next crucial point is more than one-third deaths are due to lightning and other natural disasters. Fine? Now, have a glance at Government of India initiatives to tackle these lightning problems. Natural Disaster Management Authority and comprehensive instructions for the people to be followed during lightning. Like Government of India initiative. First, National Disaster Management Authority. This National Disaster Management Authority, NDMA, has figured out some guidelines for the people, and so it is known as the comprehensive instructions जो लाइटनिंग के दौरान फॉलो करेंगे. NDMA and CAP, NDMA Natural Disaster Management Authority and CAP Common Alert Protocol System to alert citizens to thunderstorm and lightning. ये फिगर है. दिस फिगर विल डिफाइन द मैकेनिज्म ऑफ लाइटिंग. मैं पहले ही बता दिया है हालांकि इसके बारे में. मैकेनिज्म ऑफ लाइटनिंग, इसकी चर्चा हमने पहले कर दिया है, लेकिन आप डायग्राम को देख सकते हैं. ये अपर क्लाउड्स है जो इट्स द सोर्स ऑफ पॉजिटिव चार्ज. वहाँ भी आप देख लें पॉजिटिव चार्ज. इट इज़ अ सेंट्रल क्लाउड है, नेगेटिव चार्ज एंड ए स्मॉल सेंटर ऑफ पॉजिटिव चार्ज. और फिर नीचे में ग्राउंड है. जस्ट पॉसिबल कि क्लाउड्स के बीच में ही लाइटनिंग हो, क्लाउड्स के अंदर ही हो, एंड क्लाउड्स और ग्राउंड के बीच में जो होगा, जो ग्राउंड जो नेगेटिव चार्ज हो जाएगा, पॉजिटिव चार्ज ऑफ द क्लाउड एंड द नेगेटिव चार्ज ऑफ द ग्राउंड, उनके बीच में जो लाइटनिंग होता है, दैट इज़ वेरी डेंजरस. ओके, दैट कैरीज ए लॉट ऑफ लॉसेस टू लाइफ एंड अदरवाइज. From the NASA 3DR satellite, which uploads data every 15 minutes, ISRO provides information about convecting clouds. ये काफ़ी इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है. गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया का जो इनिशिएटिव्स है क्या है, इसके पहले मैंने बताया, ये नेक्स्ट इनिशिएटिव्स है. फ्रॉम द नासा 3DR सैटेलाइट विच अपलोड्स एवरी 15 मिनट्स, जो हर 15 मिनट पे डाटा अपलोड्स करेगा, एंड इसरो विल प्रोवाइड इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द कॉन्वेक्टिंग क्लाउड्स. A GPS geo positioning system in notification from the Damini app. That should be app, actually not app, there is a mistake. A GPS notification from the Damini app, which was created by the Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology and Earth System Science Organization, alerts users when lightning is nearby and is between 20 and 40 kilometers away. So a GPS notification from the Damini app, which was created by the Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology and Earth System Science Organization, alerts users when lightning is nearby and is in between 20 and 40 kilometers away. by 2022, Lightning Resilient India programs hopes to reduce lightning-related fatalities to 1,200 annually. It's the target set up by Lightning Resilient India programs. By 2022, Lightning Resilient India program hopes to reduce lightning-related fatalities to 1,200 annually. The Climate Resilient Observing Systems Promotion Council, CROPC, the NDMA, the IMD, the Union Ministry of Earth Sciences, World Vision India, UNICEF are all involved in a joint venture. The Climate Resilient Observing Systems Promotion Council, CROPC, the NDMA, the IMD, the Union Ministry of Earth Sciences, the World Vision India, UNICEF, all these organizations are involved in this joint endeavor or the venture to mitigate the lightning mishap. Now come to the way forward. First one, the early warning system, weather radar, lightning detection network, smartphone applications. So, way forward, this one, early warning system, here the weather radar, lightning detection network, smartphones. These are to be used. Next, way forward, lightning safety measures. And now, rural India needs attention. रूरल इंडिया लाइटनिंग रोड्स, गांव में क्या करना चाहिए, भारतीय ग्रामीण क्षेत्रों में लाइटनिंग रोड्स ऑन होन, स्टेइंग इंडोर्स ड्यूरिंग थंडर स्टॉर्म्स, जब बिजली गिरे तो घर में रहें। ये तो कहीं भी हो सकता है, लेकिन गांव में थोड़ा सा ध्यान देने की चीज़ है कि नॉर्मली जो भी हमारे स्कीम्स ऐसे बनते हैं, दे आर वो जस्ट सिटीज ओरिएंटेड, एंड दैट्स वाई विलेजेस डू नीड अटेंशन. सो lightning safety measures, rural India, lightning rods on home, staying indoors during thunderstorms. And third, way forward, research and development, understanding, discovered creative ways to lower the risk of lightning. और तीसरी सबसे महत्वपूर्ण बात ज़रूरी है वे फॉरवर्ड में कि प्रॉपर अंडरस्टैंडिंग होनी चाहिए लाइटनिंग की, और क्रिएटिव कुछ कंक्रीट वेज होने चाहिए टू लिशन द रिस्क ऑफ lightning. So research and development, understand, discover creative ways to lower the risk of lightning. That's all for the day. Thank you.